findhelpnow.org. How to use the website for finding addiction treatment facilities. Once you're at the homepage, answer the optional questions on the search form. The first question is, who needs help? It can be you, a family member, a friend, or a patient. Next, choose gender and enter the city, country, and zip code of where you would like to receive treatment. Then pick the type of treatment facility you prefer, such as residential, intensive outpatient, and medication-assisted treatment. If you aren't sure, just choose Not Sure. The next field is payment. Options you can choose include free, Medicaid, or private insurance. If you don't know, just pick Not Sure. If you don't have all of the information, that's okay. You'll still get a list of all treatment facilities based on the optional questions you answered. When you're ready, click Start Search. This is your search results page. You can narrow your results even more by clicking additional search options on the left side of the page. For example, when you click Personal Information, you can narrow your search by indicating if you or the person you're searching for are under 18, have children, are disabled, and more. Try clicking Additional Services. Here, you can search for a facility that also offers services for mental health, peer recovery, anger management, and more. On the right side are your results. You'll see the names of the first 10 treatment facilities nearest to your search location, a brief description of each, whether or not they are accepting new clients, and more. For details on a specific facility, click the name. While you're on the page, be sure to look out for the green dots. These dots will let you know if there are current openings, as well as what kind of treatment is available. Along with providing a list of treatment facilities, the website also has a resources section to help you find information about substance use disorder, treatment, and recovery. With findhelpnow.org, finding treatment facilities currently accepting new patients is now quicker than ever.